Hey, got the pricing to work correctly. So I'm able to get now pretty much any of the existing MSRP or the standard pricing to be excluded on all areas of the site. So if not on the product area, also on the category area as well as in the cart itself. So what we have to do is we have to set whatever you want the standard pricing to be for a regular user to walk into this the back end of this or the front end of the site and see. So if a standard price on this product is, let's say, $600, that's what we need to set the product to. So $600 would be the standard price for a normal user logging in. And then you would want to set whatever price levels you want to set the customer to, the other customers to. So you could do it where you just have a standard distributor price, or you could do distributor, and then you could do the percentage off that they get. They don't see that. So you could say the group would be distributor 10, distributor 15, distributor 40, and then you can do the percents and do it that way. Either way, you're going to have to touch all the products and add in whatever standard price you want. I know that you had said $999 or $9,999. I don't think that's the best way to go about it, unless you don't want the standard users to buy anything. So then what you do is the registered user, the standard user is registered. They will not get any discount. But then we can come in and we can add additional groups into here and add the percent off. They do give you the ability to do price discount as well. I don't foresee you using that only because percent makes a little bit more sense. Now, if percent doesn't work for you, then you can go into each individual product and add a percentage or add a different number off for that group. So then you'd have to go in and so let's go into product, go into all products, and I'm not sure. I think I use this one as the default because it was at the top. And I did not. So 1 second. So in order to do price changes on the individual product basis, you have to disable any type of price fixing on group pricing or any over they take precedence. So I disabled it by just clicking on this, and then we'll go to the product and I'll show you how to make changes there. So then you come into a product, and this is the first product in the list in the back end. You come all the way down to the bottom and you go to flexible pricing. So you can apply to groups. You can also do specific roles. You can do for guests, for everyone. So you could customize this even more. But for groups, right now we have distributor and registered. Registered is the default. So distributor, this normally is priced at $106. I changed it, and then you save it. $106.43. So I did find one little issue. It actually probably won't work for you guys. So one of the issues I see is when you use the flexible pricing on an individual product basis, you can apply the pricing, but the problem with it is it doesn't show up until you put it in the cart. So I'm going to look at this a little bit more. I don't want to go into it too much more. I'm going to send this video over to you, and if that discount that I showed you in the first part of the video works for you, then I won't work on this anymore, because then you aren't going to use this anyway. So in particular, so you can see here I had it set to $55.98. You'll see the product here shows up as the 106 standard price. You can add it to the cart. So I should have 6 of these in the cart now, and what you'll see in the cart is, or 10 of them, they're all at $55.98. So that works, but it's not carrying over on the product level. So it does work in the cart. So a couple different options. I mean, if we had to do it that way, I could disable the price on the product level, or I could get it fixed. So let me know. I'm going to go ahead and upload this, and I'll look for an answer from you. Talk to you later. Bye.